Hello. In this problem, we have to find the area of rectangle. To solve this problem, we need some auxiliary line. From here to here. And this center to here. And like this. This is chord of this semicircle. Like this. Then we can find these two are the same and 90 degree. So this is center of this semicircle. These are also same. Let's go. At first, we call this length x, and here x is 2x. X, this length 2x, 2x. Then this length is 2 root 2x. Then this length is root 2x. Here root 2x. Here root 2x. So this length is 2 root 2x. One more auxiliary line is needed. This line is radius of this circle, so 10. Here we can use Pythagorean theorem. Root 2x square and 2 root 2x square is 10 square. Root 2x square plus 2 root 2x square equal 10 square. 2x square plus 8x square equal 100. Here 10x square equal 100. X square equal 10. So the area of rectangle is 2x times 4x equal 8x square. 8 times 10 equal 80. This is answer. Thank you.